Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your notifications on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, if you don't have a LinkedIn application, all you need to do is just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just open LinkedIn. First of all, before opening, as you can see, I have here 35 notifications, and it's kind of annoying because like LinkedIn send a lot of notifications. Some of them, and the most of them actually, are kind of useless. So how can I turn off my notifications? It's simply by click at the communication tab on, as you can see here. If you have a PC, you will find it on the left. But for me, let me just click at notification. As you can see here, there is a lot of notifications going on here. So let me first of all head up to my settings by clicking as my icon at the top left corner. Then just click as settings. Here, as you can see, you will find your communications here. So all you need to do, just go and click on that. Then all we need to do is just scroll down until you find communications here. Or sorry, until you find notifications here. So if you didn't find it, of course, all you need to do is just go here. As you can see how you get your notifications. Of course, on LinkedIn, we have jobs, networks, and news. You can maybe turn off the jobs, turn off the networks, turn off the news. You can, of course, turn off notifications on the email as well, so they don't send you any notifications on your email that you sign in with this in here. Of course, the push notifications as well, you can turn off whatever you want. So let me just turn off maybe my email notification as well. This, turn it off. Turn off the jobs as well. Turn off your network. Turn off the news. And finally turn off the profile. So that's how you actually turn off the notifications on LinkedIn. And as you can see, I will not get any new notifications now because I turned it off totally. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.